Hello, guys, and welcome back to another post-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. And straight away, let's start with the Nifty daily chart. What we have here is the daily chart of Nifty. So yesterday we have discussed about the same chart, but this red candle was not there back then while we were discussing about this. But here today, as you can see, we have seen a pretty high gap up opening. That was all-time high opening so far in the Nifty. That's approximately exactly 22,765. Nifty opened at that level, and right from the opening, it has seen some trouble towards the upper side, and it started falling down. As you can see, it's very evident here. So yesterday we have discussed in even though you have this green candle there, you should be still doubtful because your Bank Nifty chart is not supporting the momentum towards the upper side. Because yesterday in our Bank Nifty chart, let me quickly get that. See, yesterday in our Bank Nifty chart, what we have here is a perfect doji candle at that's coming at a very important area, that is at the resistance area. So we are doubtful. So let me this is a Bank Nifty chart. So let's that's the reason for us not to be extremely aggressive towards the upper side, and that is what is seen today. So yesterday, instead of a bullish candle there, it's really not a great sign towards the upper side, because there is some retracement pending, and there is this red candle. So after this, if you've seen a green candle today, that would have been a completely different story. And also one more thing, these two candles put together is going to these two candles put together is somewhat similar and close to the candlestick pattern called a counter attack line, which is a reversal sign, where your closest should be close enough. Okay, so in this case, you can notice that this is yesterday's close and this is today's close. They're pretty much identical, and they're little close to each other. So definitely that's a reversal sign that is coming after an uptrend. And what's supporting that is your Bank Nifty chart. So let's discuss about the Bank Nifty chart a bit later. So this momentum, what this red candle is telling us today, okay, is see, I've also switched on the volume. See, what it is telling us is it's not confident enough to go towards the upper side, even though it has seen a breakout from that level. This breakout needs some sort of confirmation, some sort of a positive pullback towards this zone, and then start rising from there. That's going to add more strength to the Nifty to, and also enough confidence to the Nifty to move towards the upper side, but that's not the case. So what I mean to say is this level now has become a new resistance, and that level needs to be taken down if Nifty has to go further up from here. So based on these two candles put together, it means that it is in some trouble. The upside momentum is in some trouble, because it's a counter attack pattern on the candlestick pattern series. And also, if you notice your volume, it's slightly higher than yesterday. So you have to be really careful with this. And see, in this week you have one more holiday, that's day after tomorrow. So you have less number of days also for the for the complete week. So let's pay little attention to this. It's better to give some time and see some price action on if you are a positional trader, let it give some sort of a positive confirmation, and then you can take this forward. Let this all pullbacks, let this all corrections settle down with a positive candlestick pattern arising anywhere at this location, then you can be extremely positive. But until that happens, remember, this high is going to act as resistance. That's not only high of these two candles, it's an all-time high in the Nifty, from where we have seen a great momentum towards the downside. So that is how Nifty's chart is looking on a direct time frame. Let's quickly change our chart to the Bank Nifty chart. So now we are in the Bank Nifty chart, and we have seen this trouble in the Bank Nifty chart yesterday itself. See, yesterday we have seen this as a doji candle, and today, in spite of gap up opening, and we have seen all-time highs in the Bank Nifty as well. In fact, the high for the Bank Nifty today is 48,960. That's all-time high in the Bank Nifty, and that is achieved within no time. See, couple of days back, Bank Nifty was trading around 48,000. Now you see we have almost 600 points plus closing, and the high is almost 962 points close from this point to that point. So Bank Nifty is, in spite of a gap up opening, we have seen a red candle there. So that's the key. So this is not a green candle. We are trading at an all-time high in the Bank Nifty today, but all of a sudden you have seen a negative candle close. If you have seen the same as a green candle, that would have been a completely different story in the Bank Nifty altogether. But that's not the case. So you need to be careful here. Okay, so wait for the retracement. Wait for some sort of wait for some strong confirmation. Okay, so the only thing positive here is you have seen a close above the high of yesterday's candle, above the high of doji. So that's kind of little satisfying when you see it on a overall picture. So both Bank Nifty and Nifty are looking little troublesome and needs little extra confirmation to go towards the upper side on a daily chart. So hope you will remember these points. So now let's quickly change our time frame to 5 minutes and quickly see what we have on a 5 minute chart here. So yes, this zone is drawn yesterday itself on a daily chart. So uh, see today, instead of opening there, from there we have seen a fall towards this zone, and this is the first candle which led us. Which has given us some sort of clue, that is 925 candle on a 5 minute time frame. But after that, see, that has come at a very important level, the uppermost limit of this entire resistance area. But after that, within no time, the next second candle after this is 935 candle. These two candles put together, it's a bullish engulfing pattern, and from there, okay, within no time you have reached this point. So today, the most high probable trade would be, you would have started from 925 candles close, and you would have taken that moment to almost till that point. So this could have been a very high probable trade today. Okay, excuse me with this. Yeah, yeah, so from there, that point, okay, you see the kind of momentum that it has given us. Okay, so I'm measuring it in the reverse, but it's 159 points. See, after that, what happened? After that, you have this has created a small high, so you would mark this as your resistance area, and you have seen a breakout at 1035 candle. But after that, we have failed to see the confirmation candle, so you would not put your money towards the upper side. Then what happened again, with this momentum, it has given us another high. So here you would have drawn another resistance area, and here is the you see the 1140 candle is the candle where you would have had some doubt, and from there, you see, where is your next target. See, this could have, if you are a conservative trader, this could have been your target. But if you are little liberate trader, then that could have been your first target. And see, even this momentum, see, from there, your stop loss, see, some might think that, this candle has given us a close above, but remember, your stop loss should have been above this when you are taking a trade there. So after that, see, even at the small doji candle there, he has given us a harami pattern, which is nothing but an inside candle of formation setup. So this could have been another best trade opportunity of in the Bank Nifty. So after that, it has again tried. See, this is one resistance level, and this line itself is one resistance level. So from there, it has tried going up, but then it has seen a very quick failure there with this candle, and it has started falling down. And here in this at this point, okay, let me also get another indicator which helps in such scenarios. Okay, so you want to trade towards the upper side there. So what you should check is also at such points, you should you can also check RSI. So in this case, RSI is also, it is not giving us enough confirmation. So you would consider it as oversold, and then you can take a call if your RSI is below 30. But in this case, it's above 30. But it's very nitpicking method, but still it works in in situations like this. So those who would have seen RSI would have gone back there. But also those who have at least a volume in the chart, okay, they know that, see, this green candle volume is not higher than your previous candle's volume. So here you would not you don't want to go you don't want to pick a trade that towards the upper side. And also, if you notice, you see here, okay, this candle, so we're talking about this candle, this is a very good sign. You see the volume, okay, in these two candles, that is 1135 and 1140 candles, your red candle volume is significantly higher than your previous candle, so that is why we could have gone short there. So that's it. After that, even though you have taken a small trade there, you would have ended in a stop loss with this much. One of your profits um, in these two, whatever money that you have made in these two positions would have gone there if you have to pick in a call trade there. But after that, there is really not any good chance that we see here. You had a chance with a bullish engulfing pattern, but look at this. But look, you see, even your volume is supporting there. But the only concerning point there is your stop loss is so high when you compare it to the target. So you should have not gone into that trade as well. So that is about the bank Nifty's chart. Let's quickly change this to our Nifty's chart. Again, these points are marked yesterday. So yesterday we have discussed, if you have seen any opening in between these zones, you should consider it as a sideways action. But if you've seen any gap up opening, and if you've seen any support taking place at this point, then that could have been trade. And one such trade is this, definitely 925 candle. Okay, so let's bring up the volume as well. So here volume is not looking great, but remember this is the third candle of your uh, third candle of your entire day. That means that your initial candle will obviously have very higher volume, and when you are here in this candle, that means that this is excuse me, this is still the first candle on a 15-minute time frame. So again, it's nitpicking. Those who are risk takers could have taken seen this as an opportunity with this as their stop loss, because your risk versus reward ratio, that would have been your reward. So your risk versus reward ratio excuse me, is looking pretty good there. So those who have taken trade there could have made some real good money. And your next trade location is looking here. Okay, so because these two candles are touching this level, all time high of the Nifty, and that's the opening of the Nifty as well. So there you have seen this candle formation, which is nothing but a shooting star candle pattern, which is a reversal sign, which is a negative sign in an upward market. And that coming at this location, that is at your resistance area, and which is giving you a good risk versus reward ratio as well. So in this case, your risk would have been that, and your reward would have been this. Your This would have been your first reward. So even in this case, it is 2.7 times of your risk. That means it's a good trade. So those who have noticed that could have captured that momentum as well. So that's it. After that, there is really not much happened. So, and also, if you had noticed this breakdown, and you haven't seen any confirmation candle, but it has given you a bullish engulfing pattern and a close above this. But by then you're in the last 1 hour of your trade. Okay, so that's little again. Uh, it's up to individuals' taste. So those who have picked a trade there with this much of the stop loss, with this as the target, the target is not reached, but at the same time the stop loss is also not taken. So that's it on this Nifty chart. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have understood something from today's video. See you in our next post market analysis video. Until then, happy trading. Thank you.